Guys, welcome to my channel. That's my friend Joy. So we will be focusing on basic redstone builds and basically how redstone works. So we're going to start with the king of redstone dust. So redstone dust is essentially a wire. It carries a signal, and a very easy way to make a signal is a lever. So you hit the lever, the redstone dust lights up. That means it's carrying a signal. Hit the lever again, it turns off. On, off, on, off, on, off. So, redstone can turn. So watch, I'll place things of redstone next to it, and it can turn. It all lights up. And you can start the signal from anywhere. Starting from here, it does not matter. Now, levers aren't the only ways to create signals. You can also use buttons. So what you do with a button is you place it next to a block next to where you want your signal to go. Place the button, hit the button, and the redstone dust will light up, then it'll turn off. Up, on, off. My friend's building something over there. Now, you can also use tripwire and tripwire hooks. So let's just get those. And we will need string. Okay, so the way it works, I'll need a random block of your choice. So line them up and take a tripwire hook, place it on the block here and the block here. Now take your string and place it. Now you can see let's take redstone dust. If you take redstone dust, place it over here. As you walk through, so as you walk through it, it will create a signal. Now it can be bigger than this. So you can have it bigger. You can do this. Tripwire hook, string, and let's put some redstone dust. Turns on, then off. So it's on when you're right in it, then it turns off, and it turns off when you leave. So I'm just going to quickly turn it to day. And so that's how those work. And another way to make a signal, so I'll just place some redstone dust, is a block of redstone. So these are really simple. They're always giving off a signal. There's no way to make them stop. But there's more than one way to carry a signal. You can do it in more than just redstone dust. You can also use redstone repeaters. So redstone repeaters are different. So a redstone repeater, so as you may have noticed with redstone dust, all of it lights up immediately. There's no delay. Now let's do it with redstone repeaters. There's a small delay. Now we can increase that delay by tapping it. So watch. So you see how they lit up one at a time? Because of delay. Also, redstone repeaters can't get signals from the side. See how it's not lighting up when it's coming from the side, and they can't give off signals that are coming from the side. So they don't like that redstone. And repeaters are one way. So if you take a repeater, place it in front of you, it is facing the direction that you are facing. Now, let's try to make a signal from the other side. It doesn't work. And then, now we're getting a bit more complicated with redstone torches. So, one thing I have to say, blocks can sort of carry signals. They can carry signals throughout one block. So, let's say you have some let's say you have a lever on the block, and on the other side you have redstone dust. Although the lever and the redstone dust isn't connected, the block, it actually is connected by the block. If the block is powered, for one, then the redstone dust can be powered. So if we turn it on, as you can see, if we turn it on, it's still powered. Now, it can only do this for one block. Let's try two. It doesn't work. So, the way a redstone torch works, my friend Noah's saying I'm watching. So let's take a redstone torch. Now, redstone torches give off power, unless you put power into the block they're on. So once there's power on the block they're on, it turns off. So that is the lever. No clue what he's saying. So the lever turns, if the lever is off, the redstone torch is on. Lever is off, the lever is on, the redstone torch is off. Now, if you do, let's say you have a redstone torch at the end of some redstone dust. It's giving off power, but like I said, it only turns off if the block it's on is powered. Now, let's take a lever, place it here and turn it on. It doesn't work. Now, if you were to do it like this and power the block it's on, it does turn off. So that's how redstone torches work. So that's it for the basic of redstone. The next basic lesson is going to be on redstone gates, but I'm going to do a more advanced lesson, and it's going to be on how to make a piston door. Bye.